mo PSC modoba na natile radio and TV presenter edoba ba ko pe PSC oni babia ka me ho me nko na wawo me ede me aba atasefo asase we so na me di me hene ene ohima ewo attention TV so meji me konya kase ne se ne na madende te se me maami a obo ejuma ede na ene ye ba betwagu ewo attention TV so ede amamoye Kwaku Annan aba beka nsembi ede afa ye pastor somo Ghana mumi nkotie ne Kwaku Annan eka ede fa asofo mo Ghana
sent of Nsofwegu or Memha. Many of them are crooks, criminals, and thieves, and they must be chased out of this country. I mean it. I'm not kidding. Fee, Yametra grow you. Until that, all of us will know the danger that lurks around us. Masa, munim di ebentia. I tell you what. And yeah, politicians from Memha between NDC and MPP. 30 solid years under the 4th Republican Constitution. But when the ordinary Ghanaian is caught in the crossfire of how these politicians are destroying the livelihood of the Ghanaian, the last line of defense, Omega, is our software. Then the Ghanaian also go to church. Nasa our software is not going to say what the Nyansa Krono, what the Sunsunfi, any Beye, any Nrusem, Ebeshisha altars here. They have this spirit we call the familiar spirit. Most of them software women, they operate on familiar spirits. It's who feel anymore. Because some of us who have studied eschatologies and esoterics, we know this. At the end of the day, if you be a team, and a mobia wutobia will fear whom ediwechi. A software will means and ways out woman a familiar spirit away fear a dim como.
Oh yeah?
Woman made time war baby a war a juma why ubibi or backachero. Now so the difference is that he will not be able to resolve your problem for you. And no about the general bone same way po akachero say Trisika ye say fahasin ha. Na me bisa a Christ. I am asking the Christendom in this country. As soon as we are seeing nani including the Ghana, Muslimio, Hare Krishna, Hindu, Gnostics or whatever. Assuming nara adenti and womunye sikasem except Christosum. Why? Adenti Christosum kwa and what the characteristics of money taking. Na the ye she bufuni say also funi be jina or say nyankopon se menkancho say to your 50 events to your 5,000 and sana my then me the empire special be diama abodan for crooks, criminals. You got to chase these borehead crazy guys out of town. Especially the renowned bishops, you know them in this country. Fee. But I have to break the news to them, say, Enche, there's a biggest expose Kesiebe Hiti on my way. Ayatudin, the ministry of darkness. Bonia, mu bishops are hodwo, especially the renowned ones. Dear, I'm from getting you can just let them go. Because we must champagne for an auntie.
Oh my addition, me some of my crab bill ediba attention TV so Muamu could see ni Kwaku Annan aka ediafa. I saw for more Ghana home Kwaku Annan say. I saw for more Ghana nyina ya kromfo. Mu ya kromfo mu via mo members for no. Moton eniema wa solid there. Me say mo bo members for no kro no. Nti asofo de ye ni asofo papa ewo Ghana. Sana Kwaku Annan kanya me na tila me kan Kwaku Annan ka kire asofo mo Ghana se mu nyina mo ya kromfo mu via mo members for dodo sika mo members for de beto susu de ato ho no e de ape asase boyuwa bi nso so asi bibia na mo de kiosk kura besi so ha ade bia mo ba for we mutimi share from Monday to Sunday program nti se mo de Sunday na twanity se show mo ji mo members for sika dodo eso so Bible mo homeda no da be Sunday eso asofo binum Monday mpaibo wo ho no we try Tuesday na bo Wednesday mpaibo wo ho Thursday mpaibo wo ho ene no mu wie no mo Saturday mpaibo wo ho no de Sunday no etwa to ebinu kwa Sunday so mo kwa sole na all free fee 8 o'clock no Sunday no be pon 3 o'clock aday oba no mpeso be wale otie ni ya sole no bom pa ye rade me pawale o betimi akon spending the whole day muji ombo sika so mo nya adwuma osofo bi kwa do timi ka che ne member say unye adwuma na se Sunday ewo ma ne wo ye se adwuma na masole na enye de be emba na da bi o member no wanye adwuma na obe de diska bro ebi mu ha mutinya me fie 24/7 on member no onye adwuma enso fidura na mpese we de be oto omo de asole ya chechire wo especially youth no mo de chechire wo se a life okura ma bi wo mutime more life omo de asole ya chechire wo Kwaku Annan se men kan kire mo se asofo no mo ya kromfo mo jiji member sika na mo de adenden wo ka akasie mu ene 4x4 na maji atese mu na mu twi na members ne de be homo ka ne de omo nan no mo nam fom Kwaku Annan se mo nyina mo ya kromfo mo twa mo ni na mo hwe mo church members because sika ne ho no mo tususu omo kwa ho kire mu krampo na sofo bi ni mo kra ba ka twon kwa mu fi mpo se wo ye nipa omo na ase omo ni mu abi ade boa wo de omo ni wan se ono ma twi phone hello na wona me hi o eni me wa ha na mo so age se papa mpa cho se o ene ye be all 9:20 ya bra sole ntembe 6:30 na wedu asole kosi yo papa mate obu anu asan twi phone o na ne oba no se o daddy ani kunkuro friend he kwasi papa ma wi aduane bagidi Kwaku Annan se sa asofo ni nyina mo ya kromfo nzanye giso no munye debe munyai medama se mo je mbre na mo hwe mo attention TV so da se ne me catch attention TV so de bibia asofo mo se ya e wo Ghana ha ye ne de bebre mo first da se ne e san be share